Back to the court for the first quarter game. Bagan from the 15-foot line for the second through. Ball and play. Connect for 1 point by Magan. Nixon for the bound to Marcial to Feria. Feria dribbling the ball. Feria looking for opening to Merblor. Back to Feria. To Marcial. Shot clock 14. Bars for 3. No good. 1 minute and 27 seconds. 1 minute and 25. Magan dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14, 2 minutes to Magan. There's a whistle. It's a traveling violation. Marshall for the bound to Feria. Feria to Miraplor. Minutes to Magan. 50 seconds. 45. Shot clock 14. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. 35. 30 seconds. There's the whistle. Jersey number 12. Date first personal foul. 26.3 seconds remaining time. 26. Sub. Feria for the second through. Ball and play. Twenty-four. 24.9. 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay mo na.
15.
Rep. Okay.
10.
Good.
5.
Wala pa ulit.
End of the first quarter game between Barangay Uno and Barangay DSP. And the scores of 18-11.
Why? Bigyan ko na. Why yun?
Back to the court for the second quarter game.
Ano ba, Nebe? Loris yan?
Magan for the ball to Makoy. Makoy dribbling the ball. Back to Magan. Magan fires for the long three. No good. And last touch by Goles. Navarroza to Omenia. To Castillo. Castillo. To Omenia. Omenia back to Castillo. Shot clock 14. Bars. Connect for 2 points by Castillo. Jimenez for the pound to Makoy. To Magan. To Jimenez. To Goles to Tade, back to Goles, no good. Andarino for the rebound, Andarino to Navarroza, magsibok drive. Tade for the rebound. Tade to Jimenez. Jimenez taking the ball. Drive. There's Suizal. Jersey number 4. Andarino, first personal foul.
Je!
Jimenez from the feature line for the first two. Jimenez for the second two. Ball and play. Connect for 1 point by Jimenez. Andarino to Navarroza, to Omenia, to Maxibok, back to Omenia, to Castillo. Castillo taking the ball guarded by McCoy. Shot clock 14 to Maxibok. 10 to shoot to Omenia. Vars, no good. Jimenez for the power rebound. Jimenez taking the ball. Intercept by Omenia. Omenia taking the ball. To Andarino. Andarino. Drive. Denied. Jimenez for the rebound. Jimenez taking the ball. To Makoy. Makoy taking the ball. And the set by Andarino. Then there's Suizal. Jersey number 26. Jimenez first personal foul. Sub. Takena. Players, antes ka mo magsulod sa court, itak-in nyo na daan. Warning, jersey number 24 for delaying the game.
Ay, goodness.
Magsibok. Shot clock 14 to Castillo. Castillo back to Magsibok. Bars for 3. Tade for the rebound. Tade to Magan. Magan dribbling the ball. Guarded by Navarroza. To Jimenez. Jimenez to Goles. Shot clock 14. No good. Omenia for the rebound. Pass break pass to Castillo. And there's Suizal. It's a traveling violation.
Good defense.
Galit yun lang.
Ay!
Connect for 2 points by Goles and Andarino to Navarroza. Back to Andarino.
Ah!
Goles for the rebound to Magan. Magan dribbling the ball guarded by Magsibok. Magan to Goles. Shot clock 14 to Jimenez. Jimenez drive. Extra pass to Tade. No good. Tade for the second chance. Omenia for the rebound. Omenia to Navarroza. Lays up connect for 2 points by Navarroza. Magan to Goles. Goles to Tade. Shot clock 14. There's the whistle. It's a traveling violation. Sub. 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 Omenia dribbling the ball to Castillo. Back to Omenia. Omenia dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. There's Suizal. Jersey number 27. Goles. First personal foul. Sub. Connect for 1 point. Pobreza from the beat line for the second through. Ball and play. Pobreza for the last through. Ball and play. Estrella for the rebound. No good. Balaba for the rebound. Balaba driving the wall guarded by Omenia. Balaba. To Gales. Gales. To Jimenez. Fake extra pass to Magan. No good. Magan again. No good. Pobreza for the rebound to Andarino, to Estrella doing the ball, drive, lays up, no good. Jimenez for the rebound, Jimenez to Jimenez driving the ball to Goles, Bars, no good. Estrella for the rebound to Omenia. Omenia driving the ball, drive, lays up, short. Goles for the rebound to Jimenez driving the ball, drive to Magan, connect for 2 points by Magan, and Andarino for the rebound to Omenia. Omenia driving the ball, 5 minutes and 35 seconds for the second quarter game. Andarino to Pobreza, shot clock 10 to Omenia, bars for 3. Estrella for the rebound, and last touch by Estrella. Magan for the rebound to Balaba. Balaba dribbling the ball to Jimenez, back to Balaba. Shot clock 14, and the set by Omenia. Omenia dribbling the ball. Omenia. Stop and count, no good.
Outside wide.
And last touch by Castillo. Balaba for the rebound to Goles. Goles driving the ball back to Balaba. Balaba driving the ball on the leader to Jimenez. Shot clock 14 to Balaba. To Magan, connect for 2 points by Magan. Andarino for the rebound to Omenia. Omenia driving the ball to Castillo. Shot clock 14 to Pobreza to Omenia. Omenia to Andarino on the middle. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 11, Jimenez. Sub. First personal foul. Magan for the rebound to Balaba. Balaba driving the ball, looking for opening to Goles. Shot clock 14 to Balaba. Drive, kick out to Goles. Bars for 3. Connect for 3 points by Goles. And Marshall to Omenia. Back to Marshall. Marshall to Omenia. To Pobreza. Bars for 3. No good. Lixon for the rebound, but there's a whistle. Jersey number 24, Goles. First personal foul by Goles. Andarino for the rebound, Andarino to Pobreza. There's a whistle. Jersey number 11, Jimenez, second personal foul. And Pobreza from the feature line for the first 2. Pobreza for the second 2. Ball and play. And sub. Kung sino man ang tagiya ka auto nga itong sagwa, dito sa munisipyo Tubang, ipaliyog tanay idugon ang salakyan kay hindi ka sulod si Mayor. Sa liwat kung sinoto ang auto maitong nga gabalabag sa dalan, liyog tanay paidog kay masulod si Mayor. Warning, technical.
Puting na.
Warning ka na daan, ginat ko. Piling the game.
Sub.
Yes.
Feria dribbling the ball on the middle. Shot clock 14 to Pobreza. 10 to shoot. Anderino to Lixon. First.
Out! Outside.
Anderino to Feria. To Pobreza. First for 3 points by Pobreza. And timeout. Barangay Uno. And remaining time 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 2 minutes and 27 seconds for the second quarter game. And the scores of 26-32 in favor of Barangay Uno. Teruel for the ball to Balaba. Back to Teruel to Jimenez. To Teruel to Balaba. Fake and extra pass to Maga, no good. Jimenez is there. Connect for 2 points by Jimenez. Anderino for the ball to Peria.
Robin.
And timeout, Barangay Uno. Remaining time 1 minute and 56 seconds. 1 minute and 56 seconds for the second quarter game. And the scores of 34-26 in favor of Barangay Uno. Balaba to Teruel, back to Balaba, back to Teruel, to Guanga to Magan, connect for 2 points by Magan. Pobreza for the bounce to Navarroza to win the ball. Navarroza to Marshall to Pobreza, bars for 3, no good.
Nice.
1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Teruel for the bound to Balaba. Back to Teruel to Jimenez. Jimenez guarded by 2 to Guanga. And Guanga, extra pass to Magan. May kasama bang foul? Jersey number 19. Jersey number 9. Marshall first, personal foul. Marshall for the rebound to Navarroza, and there's Sowieso. Jersey number 11, Jimenez. Third personal foul and penalty, Saba. Connect for 1 point. Navarroza for the second two. Ball and play. Complete 2 points by Navarroza. Magan for the bounce to Magan. To Balaba. Back to Magan. To Balaba. To Guanga. Back to Balaba. Shot clock 14 to Guanga. Kick out to Magan. 10 to shoot. Connect for 2 points by Magan. Intercept. Magan again. No good. Feria for the rebound. Feria dribbling the ball guarded by Magan, and there's Sowieso step on the line. 45 seconds remaining time. 45 seconds. 45 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. Shot clock 14. Terwell for the rebound. 14 seconds. $39 remaining time. 39 seconds. Marshall for the pound to Feria. Feria dribbling the ball. 35 to Marshall. First. Balaba for the rebound. Balaba to Guanga. 25. 20 seconds. Shot clock 12. 15 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. Shot clock 12. 15 seconds. Shot clock 12. 15 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10. 5. Intercept. 5. Connect for 2 points by Navarroza. End of the second quarter game, and the scores of 40-30. 10-point lead by Barangay Uno. Omenia for the rebound to Navarroza to Miraflor to Estrella to Anderino to Omenia first. Guanga for the rebound. Guanga fast break pass to Magan and lays up break for 2 points by Magan. Miraflor for the rebound to Navarroza, and there's Sowieso. Jersey number 4, Guanga. First personal foul by Guanga. Navarroza for the bound to Omenia. Omenia, shot clock 10. To Navarroza, to Omenia. Vars, no good. Magan for the rebound to Guanga. To Magan. Magan dribbling the ball. To Guanga. Guanga dribbling the ball guarded by Omenia. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Shot clock 10. 10 to shoot. Shot clock 10. To Canaveral. Back to Guanga. To Magan. Del Prado. Fars. No good.
Outside.
And last touch by Navarroza. Shot clock 12. 12 to shoot. Shot clock 12. 12 to shoot, shot clock 12.
Audio.
10 to shoot, Guanga, Vars, no good. Estrella to Omenia. Omenia dribbling the ball. Guarded by Del Prado. Omenia fake and shot connect for 2 points by Omenia. Magan for the bound to Guanga. Back to Magan. Magan dribbling the ball. Back to Guanga to Del Prado. Miscommunication between Del Prado and Canaveral. Ante Reno to Omenia. Drive to Navarroza. Connect for 2 points by Navarroza. Magan dribbling the ball. Guarded by Omenia. To Canaveral to Magan. Connect for 2 points by Magan. Intercept by Magan. Omenia dribbling the ball to Anderino. Vars connect for 2 points by Anderino. Magan for rebound to Guanga. Back to Magan. Magan back to Guanga. Back to Magan. Shot clock 14 to Del Prado. Del Prado to Magan. 10 to shoot. First whistle. Jersey number 7 Miraflor. First personal foul and sub. Jimenez for the ball to Guanga. Guanga giving the ball. Extra pass to Jimenez to Magan. Vars for 3. No good. Miraflor to Estrella. Estrella giving the ball. Guarded by Jimenez. Drive. Extra pass to Castillo. Connect for 2 points by Castillo. Guanga for the ball to Del Prado to Magan. Magan giving the ball.
Outside.
And there's that, but there's no zone. Step on the line. Magan to Guanga. Guanga doing the ball. Back to Magan. Back to Guanga. Guarded by Miraflor. Shot clock 14. Turn around and shot no good. Jimenez for the second chance.
Outside.
And jump ball. Zero. Shot clock 6. 6 to shoot. Shot clock 6. 6 to shoot, shot clock 6. 6 to shoot, shot clock 6. 5.
Presa.
Connect for 3 points by Guanga.
Tapusa. Tapusa.
Magan to Jimenez, shot clock 14. To Magan denied. Miraflor to Anderino. Anderino. Too strong. And sub. Intercept by Estrella to Omenia.
Basta dalo mo!
Jimenez fires for 3, no good. Balaba is there, there's his own. Jersey number 26, Estrella. Sub, Estrella first personal foul. Balaba for the second throw. Ball and play.
South!
Canaveral.
Pa! Agaw! Agaw!
Omenia doing the ball. Omenia doing the ball. Guarded by Del Prado. First, no good. Peria for the rebound. Peria to Omenia. To Pobreza fires for 3. No good. Canaveral for the rebound to Balaba. To Teruel. Teruel dribbling the ball. Looking for opening. Shot clock 14. Teruel to Del Prado. There's a whistle. Offensive foul by jersey number 3. Teruel. First personal foul by Teruel.
Itakay nyo na nabalay.
Technical for delaying the game.
Pangina ba pa? Diyan na naman mo permain. Yung takay nyo na lang bala.
Correct for 1 point.
Ano, gonla. Gaman ko mo. Score. Siya.
Peria to Magsibok to Anderino to Castillo. Bars for 3. No good. And Balaba for the bound. Balaba to Teruel. Teruel to Balaba. To Del Prado doing the ball. Drive. There's Jimenez for the rebound. Fars. No good. Peria for the rebound. Peria doing the ball. Peria drive. And there's a whistle. Jersey number 9, Balaba. First personal foul.
Kalega.
Feria for the second through. Ball and play. And timeout. Barangay Uno. And remaining time 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Remaining time 4 minutes and 29 seconds. And the scores of 47-42. 5-point lead by Barangay Uno. Teruel for the ball to Magan. Magan moving the ball. To Teruel to Balaba. Balaba doing the ball. Takes a pass to intercept by Peria. Peria doing the ball. Guarded by Del Prado. Peria to Magsibok. Magsibok back to Peria. Peria shot clock 14 to Pobreza. Bars for 3. Connect for 3 points by Pobreza. And there's the whistle. Jersey number 12, Magsibo. First personal foul by Magsibo. And then well for the bound to Magan. Magan doing the ball. Bars for 3. No good. Magan again. Running shot. No good. Magan for the rebound. And there's the whistle. Jersey number 4, Anderino. Anderino, second personal foul and sub. Castillo for the rebound. Castillo to Peria. Peria giving the ball to Magsibo. Too strong. Out of bounds. Balaba for the rebound to Magan. Magan giving the ball back to Balaba. 10 to shoot. Terwell 5 to shoot. Connect for 2 points by Magan and Pobreza for the pound to Peria to Lixon. Back to Peria to Magsibo, who's wrong. And sub. Magan dribbling the ball to Balava. Balava back to Magan. Shot clock 14. There's no result. It's a traveling violation. Sub. Pobreza to Umenya. Intercept by Balaba to Magan. Magan to Teruel. Teruel to Del Prado. First, no good. Del Prado again for the rebound. There's the whistle. It's a traveling violation. Two minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Magsibo to Omenya. Omenya giving the ball. Stop and pop. No good. Balaba to Teruel. Teruel giving the ball. To Balaba. Balaba. Drive, lays up. No good. Pobreza for the rebound to Omenya. Omenya giving the ball guarded by Magan. Omenya to Magsibo. No good. Magan for the rebound. Magan to Magan. Connect for 2 points and time out. Barangay DSV. And the winning time 1 minute and 34 seconds. 1 minute and 34 seconds for the third quarter game. And the scores of 51-45. 6-point lead by Barangay Uno. Omenya to Magsibo. Magsibo to Navarroza. Navarroza on the top. To Omenya. Shot clock 14. To Lixon. No good. Teruel for the rebound. Teruel giving the ball. Teruel. Drive. Lays up. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 12. Magsibo. Second personal foul and sub. Teruel from the feature line for the bonus through.
Kata ba sa Jeo? Ye.
Complete 3 points by Teruel. Lexon to Umenia to Estrella. Estrella to Umenia to Navarroza. Navarroza. Shot clock 14. Moving the ball to Estrella. Connect for 2 points by Estrella. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Balava to Del Prado and last touch by Lixon. Shot clock 12:44 seconds. Shot clock 12:44 seconds. Shot clock 12:44 seconds. Winning time 44 seconds. 10 to shoot. Enter serve. Omenia to Navarroza. No good. Balava for rebound. Balava to the ball. To Del Prado. Del Prado to Morgan. 25 seconds. Shot clock 14. Connect for 3 points by Teruel and 20 seconds. 15. 10. 5. End of the third quarter game between Barangay DSB and Barangay Uno. And the scores of 57-47. 10-point lead by Barangay Uno.
Gina pa saya. Bahaya na Jeo. Bahaya. Bahaya. Gina pa saya.
Matagal niya tagad, tingnan niya lang ito. Kanya na lang. Gito lo, ganyan na lang try.
Next game, Barangay MH Del Vera and Barangay Antipolo.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yes.
Omenia to Estrella, back to Omenia. Omenia first. Goles for the rebound. Goles to Teruel. Teruel dribbling the ball. Guarded by Omenia. Teruel looking for a winning shot clock 14. To Jimenez. Jimenez to Jimenez. To Tade. Lost ball. Peria. Out of bounds. Teruel dribbling the ball. Guarded by two Goles. Goles. Kick out to Jimenez. Jimenez.
Ano lang ba? Nasa ka sa pass?
To Goles. Shot clock 14. Andarino for the rebound to Estrella to Peria. Peria dribbling the ball. To Umenia. Umenia to Castillo. Back to Umenia. Shot clock 14. Umenia on the top to Peria. 10 to shoot to Castillo. Fake. 5 to shoot. Connect for 2 points by Andarino. Tade for the rebound to Teruel. Teruel to Jimenez. There's his own. Jersey number 19, Umenia. First personal foul by Umenia. Teruel for the ground to Goles. Back to Teruel. Teruel giving the ball guarded by Umenya. Teruel. And the set, Peria to Umenya. Lays up play for 2 points by Umenya. Goles for the bound to Jimenez. Jimenez driving the ball, and there's the result. Jersey number 8. Peria, first personal foul by Peria. Goles for the bound to Teruel. Back to Goles. Goles back to Teruel. Shot clock 14. Jimenez to Tade. In the middle. Anderson. Castillo to Peria. Peria fires for 3. Andarino for the rebound. Andarino. And intercept. Goles giving the ball. Goles to Teruel. Teruel back to Goles. No good. And there's the result. Jersey number 8. Peria. Second personal foul by Peria. And sub. Connect for 1 point. Goles from the feature line for the second 2. Ball and play. Umenya dribbling the ball to Estrella. Estrella to Pobreza. Bars for 3. Short. Jimenez for the rebound. Jimenez dribbling the ball. Jimenez, and there's the result. Jersey number 19. Umenya second personal foul and sub. Goles for the bound to Teruel. To Jimenez. To Jimenez in the middle. Connect for 2 points by Jimenez.
May lume nakaraan? Buwas lang.
Navarroza to Pobreza. Back to Navarroza. Shot clock 14. To Pobreza. 10 to shoot to Navarroza. Bars for 3. Teruel for the rebound. Teruel driving the ball. Guarded by Navarroza. Teruel. Intercept. Andarino. Pass by pass to Navarroza. May kasama bang foul? Jersey number 12. Tate. Second personal foul and sub. Navarroza from the feature line for the bonus through. Ball and play. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Navarroza complete 3 points. Tade for rebound to Teruel. Back to Tade. To Goles. Goles. Back to Teruel. To Goles. Bars for 3. Tade is there. Connect for 2 balls by Tade. And Navarroza for the rebound to Peria. Peria dribbling the ball to Andarino. Shot clock 14. Andarino 10 to shoot. Drive. And there's the result. Shot jersey number 12. Tade. Third personal foul by Tade. And sub. Sub. Andarino for the rebound to Umenya. Back to Andarino. 10 to shoot. Navarroza denied. Tade for the rebound to Jimenez. Jimenez to Teruel. Back to Jimenez. Jimenez dribbling the ball to Teruel. Teruel dribbling the ball. Back to Jimenez. Shot clock 14. Drive. Extra pass to Tade. Connect for 2 points by Tade. Umenya dribbling the ball. Umenya on the leader. Looking for opening to Navarroza. Fires for 3. No good. Jimenez for the rebound. Jimenez dribbling the ball to Teruel. Teruel to Jimenez on the middle. No good, Tate is there play for 2 points by Tate. Progresa for the pound to Navarroza to Umenia. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time for the last and final quarter game between Barangay DSP and Barangay Uno. Jimenez pass to Gomez. And time out! Barangay DSP. And remaining time 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Remaining time 5 minutes and 13 seconds. And the scores of 68-54 in favor of Barangay Uno. Barangay DSP, may isa na lang kamobilin nga timeout. Ang Barangay Uno, may 2 pa. Sa luwad, Barangay DSP, may isa na lang kamo ka timeout. Ang Barangay Uno, may 2 pa. Omenia dribbling the ball to Marshall. Marshall dribbling the ball to Castillo, to Lixon. Jimenez for the rebound to Teruel. Teruel to Jimenez. Jimenez to Tade. Drive. No good. Jimenez for the rebound. Jimenez to Goles. Play for 3 points by Goles. Marshall to Omenia. Omenia to Castillo. Shot clock 14. To Marshall, 10 to shoot. Fires for 3 points by Marshall. And Tade for the rebound. Denied. And last touch by Tade.
Yun lang. Depensa.
To Lixon, there's Suizo. Jersey number 3, Teruel. Second personal foul by Teruel, and Lixon from the meter line for the first 2. Lixon for the second 2, ball and play. There's a whistle. Omenia, dribbling the ball to Pobreza, 10 to shoot, bars for 3. Jimenez for the rebound, and last touch by Castillo. Jimenez for the rebound, Jimenez to Teruel, Teruel, and there's a whistle. Jersey number 20, Lixon. And penalty, Lixon, second personal foul. And Teruel from the 15-foot line for the first 2. Teruel for the second 2, ball and play. Connect for 1 point by Teruel. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Omenia to Castillo. Castillo to Lixon, using the glass connect for 2 points by Lixon. Goal is 40 pound. Goal is 40 pound to Jimenez. And last touch by Omenia.
Pinyo ka, panilo ko. Wala.
To Terwell, leaving the ball. To Jimenez, to Gomez. Shot clock 14, bars for 3. Marshall for the rebound, Marshall to Omenia. Omenia to Marshall, intercept by Terwell to Jimenez. Intercept by Castillo. And recovery by Jimenez to Tade. To Marshall first. And timeout. Barangay Uno. And remaining time 2 minutes and 59 seconds. 2 minutes and 59 seconds for the last and final quarter game. And the scores of 72-60. 12-point lead by Barangay Uno.
Tawag na ka mo maon niyo kon. Wala ka kaluto, tuyo ko. Dawel, umay sana ba? Ito yung pamalo. Ha? Win or lose, malilito ka pa pato. Baba, sila nagawa sa ako.
Back to the court. For the last and final quarter game between DSP and Barangay Uno. Shot clock 12, 12 to shoot, shot clock 12, 12 to shoot, shot clock 12, 12 to shoot, shot clock 12, 10 to shoot. Omenia giving the ball. Omenia. 5 to shoot. And the 7. Bagan to Waka. Waka giving the ball. Waka to Balava. First, no good. And last touch by Miraflor. Shot clock 14, 2 minutes and 28 seconds, 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Maganzo Guaga. Time to shoot. Drive and Sebastian Delgado. No good. Omenia to Castillo. Connect for 2 points by Castillo. Balaba for the pound. And the set by Magsibok to Marshall. Last 2 minutes. Warning, jersey number 28 for the lead in the game. To Balava, holding the ball, and there's his own. To Castillo, there's his own. Jersey number 4. Waka, second personal foul. Magsibok to Omenia. Omenia taking the ball, and there's his own. Jersey number 29, Magan, penalty. Magan first personal foul. Ready for one ball. Omenia for the second room. Complete 2 points by Umenya. Balaka with the ball. To Guaca. To Del Prado. Marshall got the rebound to Umenya. There is his own. Jersey number 29, Bagan. Penalty. One minute and 29 seconds remaining time. Bagan second personal foul. One minute and 29 seconds remaining time. Complete 2 points by Umenya. To Umenya. 1 minute and 25. It's a traveling violation. One minute and 23 seconds. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining time. Guaca giving the ball to Balaba. Drive, lays up by Balaba. Umenya, Bagan to Del Prado. Winning for by Del Prado. To Marshall, and Sebastian Castillo. There's Suizon. Jersey number 4. Guaca, third personal foul. And sub. 55 seconds remaining time. 55 seconds. Sub. 55. 50 seconds. Again, 45, shot clock 14. There's the result. Offensive foul by jersey number 9. Balaba. Second personal foul and penalty. 42 seconds. 40 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. Versus zone. Jersey number 19, Del Prado. Del Prado, third personal foul. And Miraflor. Miraflor for the second two. 28 seconds remaining time. 28 seconds.
Shoto, isa lang.
$25. 20 seconds. 15. There's his own. Jersey number 19, Umenya. Third personal foul by Umenya. 14 seconds. 14 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds remaining time. And Bagan from the beat line for the first two. Knockout, step on the line. Bagan for the second two.
Tala.
14 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds. Ball and play. Break for water. 14 seconds, 14.
La Paula. Pinsa lang. Pinsa lang, ha? Tawo lang.
10. Jersey zone.
Sabag sila.
Jersey number 7, Bagan. First personal foul. And Omenia from the middle line.
Gamit ka pa tingin.
7 seconds remaining time, 7 seconds. 5. Jersey zone. Jersey number 19. Omenia for personal foul and 1 seconds remaining time. 1 second. 1 second remaining time. 1 second.
Shootan niyo gidya kayo sa point system pa yan.
Next game, prepare Barangay MH Del Pilar and Barangay Antipolo.
Buwan na daw.
1 second remaining time.
Uy, sana na ako sa Jay. Wala ako.
Player seconds. Player seconds.
Yeah, kailangan mo ako makita. Mario, pati mo bracket niyo. Wala na ako buwan. Buwan ka.